So when we do the condensate lines, I got it, Mark.
Yeah, it looks funny when the door opens.
Yeah, it looks funny with the door open. You coming home? All right. Want to stop?
No.
This is a different house.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm upstairs.
Washer. Eric, you've got a snip. Cut it here. Cutter. I'll cut it a little bit back further, a little bit. Which way to turn? Oh shit, man.
Another big plumbing job today, motherfucker. Scary shit. Evil. Lovey. Evil. Lovey. God loves you. I love you. God bless you. We shall die. We will die. He is bless you. He is bless you. We shall not. We will not. We shall not. The angel of death is gonna find you, motherfucker. It's clear who holds the spear of destiny. And it says very I'm explaining it to you as the angel of death in the flesh. You will join me publicly in blood, or I will squash you the fuck out. Nobody escapes me, not even your filthy gods. It's clear who holds the spear of destiny, you fucking cockroaches! If you type into your YouTube search, "The Prince of Darkness Speaks," you'll see this character spilt up gallons of blood using the donation bank, putting in all this blood so that he was mailed all these certificates stating a gallon here, a gallon here, a gallon here. Took the fucking stack and stepped up as the Prince of Darkness, that he's here on the behalf of the Grand Architect to bring forth heaven and earth and release you from the chains of time and money. I know where the fountain of youth is. Nobody escapes me. Not even your filthy gods. They have no blood to spill. The universe is already mine. It's join me in blood or expire of old age or stupidity. I know where the fountain of youth is, you filthy monkey.